Don't forget to click that good old subscribe button down below so you can join the squad and get it popping with the squad, all of that. But no, I did not film my look because it took me too long to do, but I did show you guys this hair and how I get my hair to lay down so flat and everything for beginners, and I did show you guys how I did that in this video. So if you guys want to see my video with me showing you guys how I got my hair to lay down and everything so flat and all that stuff that I used and all of the stuff that I did, then keep on watching. I'm just showing you guys what my hair is looking like. I had braided it down, then I started to one curl it, and I was just like, I don't want to burn myself. It'll be easier if I just like take the wig off and put it like on a mannequin head or whatever and one curl it, you know. But I was going for like a wavy look at first, and then I was like, nah, you know what, let's just make it sleek or whatnot. So then I just combed the curls out, and I went in with this Got to Be Glued gel or whatever, and I just laid the baby hairs down. Then I started combing out those one curls that I did, and I just went in with my flat iron. I did not show you guys the Garnier Fructis serum that I used on my hair, but you know I always use that in my other previous videos. And right now I'm going in with this luster stick, and I'm just going to put that all over the parting area, you know, to lay some of them flyaways and just lay the hair down. Like, this is really good for that, and it's affordable. I think it's like $8 or $9 on Amazon. And yeah, I'm just doing that, and then you're gonna see me like flat iron the hair down some, get them little lumps out of there and all of that good stuff. So what you're gonna do is just keep flat ironing it, you know, try to get most of the lumps out and all of that stuff. And that's pretty much what I'm doing now, because I did do some of the curls at the back. And then I'm just going to pin one side back, pin the other side back behind my ear, and then go in with my headscarf and tie it down. And this second part is optional. You can go in with the one curler like me if you don't have a hot comb. But I feel like a hot comb works best because, you know, it gets in the roots and everything. But, I mean, this worked good, too. And this is just how it's looking afterwards and all of that stuff. And you can see it's looking nice. Thank you guys for watching my video. I also want to give out to all 400 of you guys. We finally are at 400, and it's only up from here. And I just want to thank you guys and God for making this possible. I just want to thank everybody once again for watching my video. If you like this video and how I got my hair to lay so flat, then make sure you subscribe to the channel for more videos. Turn that bell on so you'll be notified, and give this video a big old thumbs up, you guys. Follow me on all my social networks where I will be posting videos and pictures of it up close. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one.